This is a cat that lives outside at our house. Her name is Carrie. She was born in our yard about 2 years ago. And her mom is named Scout, and her dad was named Scoop. And they're kind of like the king and queen of the yard, so Carrie is obviously the princess of the yard. She's friends with people up and down our street because she's so affectionate and fluffy and friendly. She's so thick it looks like she's kind of wearing a sweatsuit. And she comes and eats at our house every day. And there's just nothing wrong with Carrie. She's very good.